Hello students, this is our 10th session of chapter 3 data representation. So in this session we are going to study about the representation of signed integers. In digital computers, they can handle both positive and negative integers. So some means is required to represent the sign, that is plus or minus. This is done by adding the sign bit to the leftmost part of the number called signed bit. A positive number has 0 and the negative number has 1 as its sign bit. So this is called as fixed point representation. A negative signed integer can be represented in one of the following ways. There are three ways of representing a negative signed integer. The first one is sign and magnitude representation. Second one is ones complement representation. And third one is twos complement representation. So what is sign and magnitude representation? An integer containing a sign bit followed by the magnitude is called as sign and magnitude representation. An integer containing a sign bit followed by a magnitude is called as sign and magnitude representation. The MSB is always the sign bit and the remaining bits are magnitude. See in this example, plus 83. So this is our magnitude, that is the binary value of 83, and this represents whether it is a positive number or a negative number. So the sign bit 0 is used for positive numbers and 1 is used for negative numbers, and this position we call it as MSB. That is most significant bit. We are going to put the sign bits at the MSB. So 0 is used for positive numbers and 1 is used for negative numbers. By seeing these values, we can easily identify whether it is a positive number or negative number. So in minus 83, so this is the value of 83 and this 1 represents in the sign bit represents it as a negative integer, that is minus 83. Next, what is ones complement representation? The ones complement of a binary number is obtained by changing all zeros to ones and all ones to zeros. The ones complement of a binary number is obtained by changing each zeros to ones and each ones to zeros. So let's solve some problems based on this representation, that is ones complement representation. Find the ones complement of first one 1 0 1 0 111 base 2. The ones complement of a binary number is obtained by changing each zeros to ones and each ones to zeros. Hence the ones complement is change each zeros to ones and ones to zeros, that is change 1 to 0. Here 1 is there, so change it as 0. Here 0 is there, so change it as 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is the ones complement of 1, 0, 1, 0, 111. Next problem, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 base 2. So what is the ones complement of this number? The ones complement of this binary number is, change all zeros to ones and 1 to zeros. So here 1 is there, so you have to write 0, 1, change it to 0, change it to 1, change this to 1, change it to 0, change it to 1 and change it to 0. This is very simple representation. Next, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 base 2. The ones complement of 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is how we are going to solve ones complement problem. So that is, we are changing all the zeros to ones and all ones to zeros. And the third type is 2's complement representation. What is 2's complement representation? The 2's complement of a binary number is obtained by adding 1 to the 1's complement. The 2's complement of a binary number is obtained by adding 1 to the 1's complement. So now let's solve some problems based on this representation. First problem is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 base 2. So we have to find out the 2's complement of this number. First step is we have to find the 1's complement of this binary number. Then for the obtained value we have to add 1. See here, what is the 1's complement of this number? 1's complement of 1, 0, 1, 000 is 0, 1, 0, 111. So this is the 1's complement of this number. So now to get the 2's complement, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to this 1's complement value. 1's complement binary number. So what is 1 plus 1? So here 1 in binary number, it contains 2 digits or symbols. That is, it contains only zeros and ones. So here 1 plus 1 becomes 0 carry 1. 0 carry 1. It does not becomes 2. So in addition, 1 plus 1 becomes 0 carry 1. What is again 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 becomes 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 0, 1 carry. What is 1 plus 0? 1 plus 0 is 1, 1, 0. So this is the 2's complement. Of 1, 0, 1, 000 is 0, 1, 1, 000. Next problem, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 11 base 2. First, we have to find out the ones complement. What is the ones complement of this binary number? 0. Change all zeros to ones and all ones to zeros. 1. So here 1 is there, so I have changed it as 0. Again 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is the ones complement value of this binary number. So for this we have to add 1. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is the 2's complement value of this binary number. So in 1's complement we have to change each 0 to 1 and each 1 to 0. In 2's complement, first we have to find out the 1's complement of a binary number, and for that value we have to add 1. So whatever the value we get, that is our 2's complement binary number. Next is binary addition. So the basic rules for binary addition is that if it is 0, 0, then the sum will be 0 and it does not have any carry. If it is 0 plus 1, so the sum will be 1 and carry is 0. If it is 1 plus 0, the sum will become 1 and carry is 0. And if it is 1 plus 1, as I told there, 1 plus 1 becomes sum 0, carry 1. It does not becomes 2 here, because in binary we are using only 2 digits, that is zeros and ones. So 1 plus 1 becomes 0, 1 carry. Now let's solve some problems. First problem, add 75 and 18 using binary addition. So how to represent 75 in binary? So in 8421 code it is not possible to represent 75. So next we have to add some more bits to form 75. This is 2 power 0, this is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. If I take 2 power 4, then it is 16. 2 power 5 is 32 and 2 power 6 is 64. Yes. So 64 plus 8 is 72. 72 plus 2 is 74. 74 plus 1 becomes 75. So in the places of 64 you have to put 1, and in the place of 8 as well as 2 and 1. In rest of the places you have to put zeros. So this is the binary value of 75. Next, 18. How to represent 18? 16 plus 2 is 18. So in rest of the places you have to put zeros. So now add the numbers. What is 1 plus 0? 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry. 0, 1 carry. What is 1 plus 0? 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is the final value, that is the sum value of 75 plus 18. What is 75 plus 18? 93. Check whether the obtained value is correct or not. How to check? So add the numbers, that is 64 plus 16, it becomes 80, then add 8, 88, 88 plus 4 is 92, 92 plus 1 is 93. Hence the obtained value is correct. Next problem. Sixty-four base 10 plus 35 base 10 using binary addition. So how to represent 64? 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So we need 64. So in the place of 64, you put 1. In rest of the places, we have to put zeros. What about 35? 32 plus 2 becomes 34 plus 1 becomes 35. In rest of the places, put zeros. So what is 64 plus 35, which is nothing but 99. So add 0 plus 1. What is 0 plus 1? Sum is 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 becomes 1. 1 plus 0 becomes 1. Now check whether it is correct or not. What is 64 plus 32 becomes 96. 96 plus 3 becomes 99. So the answer is correct. So this is our basic rules for binary addition. If you know this, you can easily do the binary addition. So you people know how to add 0 plus, you know all these conditions. But in this case, you have to remember 1 plus 1 does not becomes 2. It is 0, 1 carry. Next is binary subtraction. binary addition, this is the basic rule we have to follow. That is 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 1 is 1, difference is 1 with a borrow from the next higher column. So if you come across 0 minus 1, the difference will be 1 with a borrow from the next higher column. So now let's solve some problem. 12 minus 8. How to represent 12 in binary form? That is in 8421 combination. 8 plus 4 becomes 12. In rest of the places you have to put zeros. For 8, in the place of 8 you have to put 1. In rest of the places you have to put zeros. What is 12 minus 8? 12 minus 8 is 4. So what is 0 minus 0? 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So hence the binary equivalent of 4 is 0 1 double 0. Next problem. 27 minus 9. How to represent 27 in binary form? 27 minus 9 is 18. So we have to get 18 as our answer. So how to represent 27? In 16, 8, 4, 2, 1 code. So 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 26 plus 1 is 27. For 9, 8 plus 1. In rest of the places you have to put zeros. Now do the subtraction. What is 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1 is 0. What is 1 minus 0? 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So check whether it is correct or not. 16 plus 2 becomes 18. Hence the obtained value is correct. So this is how we have to do the binary addition as well as binary subtraction. Thank you.